Now I want to show you how to perform your tasks. Now just notify me that I have one task to do. That is WhatsApp task. I'm going to log into my account now. I'll just go to my account. I've downloaded the app already. Okay, this is my dashboard. If you can see here, it says you have some new tasks that are still pending. Please confirm the task before it expires. You can end and just click here to see. Sorry, this network is slow. You can see that it has pumped up. Now click do now. When you click do now,